I have a Whirlpool WOC54EC0AS00 where I am getting a F1E5 error. I have already replaced the inverter board and that has not helped.
Sorry I was away yesterday, I had a family emergency I had to take care of. Thank you for requesting me. The F1E5 error code A is an error code of the microwave inverter not getting voltage. Which means it will not be the inverter board, but the Microwave Appliance Manager. Do the tech check for voltage to the inverter, check the 3 connections on the inverter control board. That is what he needed to test to see why the inverter is not getting voltage.
The connections on the inverter board looked fine and secure when I replaced it. I have not checked the voltages. What voltages am I looking for on each connector? Which board is the Microwave Appliance Manager? This seems to be a term that appliance techs call it, but not what the diagrams included with the unit says. Would it be worth replacing this board, or is it one of those things where depending on the voltages it could be different parts?
Let's first test voltage to the inverter board on the CN702 connector, blue to white, looking for 120 volts AC when the unit is running. And be careful around that inverter, it puts out 4000 volts AC.
I will. It reminded me of the 10 kV mag on the radar I used to work.
Yes, just like it.
The blue and white connectors on the inverter board has 120V on it for about 10 seconds, then it's shut off to 0V, and then the microwave errors out with the F1E5 error.
So if it gives you voltage then stops, I would have to assume it is the Microwave Appliance Manager then. I recommend to replace the Microwave Appliance Manager. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. http://www.repairclinic.com/part details/main control board /W104861888/2312785 Ricade equals 1000070. If you have any questions, just reply back.
Okay. Looks like they are out of stock until the end of the month, or I would order from them. May have to look elsewhere. We'll get back when I get the part in. Thanks.
Okay, no problem at all, always glad to assist you. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me, WHRLP MasterTech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me, I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me is the only way I get paid for my time.
Oh, okay. I'll go ahead and rate as long as I can ask later if need be. Thanks.
Sure, anytime you have a question on this appliance, just copy the URL and save it to your favorites and just reply back later.
Well, had to wait a month to get the part from Repair Clinic, but I put it in tonight. I am still getting the error. As soon as the microwave turns on, the blue and white get power. When the error displays the power is turned off. The mag is hitting about 120 degrees during its short turn on. Any other ideas to try?
Okay, so now you have the 1100 watt inverter board and the Appliance Manager main control board have been replaced. And you say all of the connections are good. Here is what the manufacturer says about the error code. F1E5 internal microwave oven inverter error, suggested corrective action procedure. Note: cycle power, unplug oven or disconnect power, then wait 10 seconds before powering on, before starting any test. After powering on, wait 1 minute then verify that the failure appears again. Procedure: before proceeding, press Cancel Start to enter the diagnostics mode. 1. Enter the fault display reset menu to verify the error code. 2. Make sure that door switch works properly. When door is open, microwave light is on. When door is closed, microwave light is off. Be sure that Sabbath mode is disabled during this check. To deactivate an enabled Sabbath mode, press lower oven cancel. 3. Unplug oven or disconnect power. 4. Check the following connections on Microwave Appliance Manager: A. Relay 4903B. Connector P85. Check the following connections on Microwave Inverter: A. CN701B. CN702C. CN703-6. If the door works properly and all connections are OK, replace the Microwave Oven Appliance Manager. 7. Replace all parts and panels before operating. 8. Plug in oven or reconnect power. 9. To check if the error code is still present, start a cooking function in the microwave oven and wait 1 minute to check if the error appears. If error remains, then go to step 10. 10. Unplug oven or disconnect power and replace the microwave inverter. 11. Replace all parts and panels before operating. 12. Plug in oven or reconnect power. If you can, let's go over all of these connections one more time, please.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.